Question number 1. Find the next number in the sequence. The right answer is option D, 36. Question number 2. Which word does not belong to the group? The right answer is option D, car. Question number 3. If 3 is equal to 11, 4 is equal to 9, 5 is equal to 29, then 9 is equal to. The right answer is option D, 89. Question number 4. Find the odd one out. The right answer is option A, 5. Question number 5. If A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, then Z is equal to. The right answer is option D, 26. Question number 6. Which number comes next in the series? The right answer is option A, 35. Question number 7. Find the next letter in the series. The right answer is option B, L. Question number 8. Which of the following is the same as September, April, June? The right answer is option A, November. Question number 9. Choose the word which is different from the rest. The right answer is option D, bicycle. Question number 10. What is the missing number? The right answer is option B, 30. Question number 11. Find the next number in the series. The right answer is option C, 13. Question number 12. If mango is written as NBOHP, how is apple written in that code? The right answer is option A, BQQMF. Question number 13. Complete the series. The right answer is option C, 18. Question number 14. Which one is different from the rest? The right answer is option C, carrot. Question number 15. Complete the analogy. Bird is to fly as fish is to. The right answer is option A, swim.